Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 174 of Ali Imran and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فانقلبوا بنعمة من الله وفضل لم يمسسهم سوء واتبعوا رضوان الله والله ذو فضل عظيم. Give a nice hums on fa. Ikhfa. There is ikhfa. And this will be heavy ikhfa. Because qaf is among heavy letters. How we create ikhfa? We hide the sound of noon. We go towards the makhraj of next coming up letter. Here it is qaf. And this ikhfa will be heavy. Qa is short for fatha, open your jaws. La short. Woo, 2 counts long. B for kasra, give e sound. Nya for kasra, give e sound. Attach with ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasut and squeeze your throat well to pronounce this sound. B nya. Ma is short. Team for kasra, give e sound. This is idgham with gunna. So don't disturb this kasra sound because of creating idgham. You are taking care of this kasra too. Bi ti, then idgham with mim. Timmi, give kasra, give e sound. Nallahi, keep noon light. But lafz jalala heavy. And lafz jalala will be heavy here because there is fatha here before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, and by default it's long. It is 2 counts long. Minallahi wa for wow, circle your lips. Fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. For fatha, open your jaws. Give very clear hums before this fatha. As you pronounce fatha, your letter will be completed. So before fatha, you are giving that hums and there is what? This is heavy and it is getting rakhawa, it is heavy and it has istitala. Lim for kasra, give e sound attached with lam. This is idgham without ghana. Lam for fatha, open jaws, attached with mim. Mim will get sifa of the wasut. Yam, keep ya very light. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with mim. Mim will get sifa of the wasut. Yam, ses. For fatha, open your jaws. This is very important to pronounce fatha. If you will not open your jaws, the timing of this letter will not be met and it will be not it will not be just with this fatha. Ses, give rakhawa, give safir. It is light and it goes on. Ses, hum for the circle lips attached with mim, you will get sifa of the wasut. Hum, su 4 counts long. This is mad muttasil wajib. Su for them. This is idgham with gunna. And for dhamma, circular lips. Do what for fatha, open your jaws, attach with ta will be there will be shidda here. The sound is very strong. What for fatha, open jaws. There is no hamso whatsoever. What the sound is very strong. The makhraj is cutting off the sound flow of sound very abruptly. What ba is short. For the circle lips. The ain should be very nicely heard from your throat. For kasra, give e sound. Ra is light here, and God, it is heavy. It has rakhawa. It has istatala. Wa for wow, circle your lips. and it is 2 counts long. No, keep noon light, and lafz jalala heavy, and you're giving temporary sukoon at the end because of this waqf. And this temporary sukoon will make this 2 counts long vowel into 4. And this is called madarat lis sukoon. Because of this temporary sukoon, this is converted into converted into 4. Wallahu for waw circular lips. Fatha open your jaws attached with lafz jalala will be heavy because you can find fatha before it. And it is 2 counts long by default. And who is very short. Wallahu du. The makhraj of dal is touching the tip of your tongue on the edge of your upper teeth, 2 teeth. So engage your makhraj well, and then circle your lips for dhamma and make it 2 counts long. Du, fal. Give very good hums before fatha of fa. Whenever you are looking at fa, you are giving hums. Fal. And there's rakhawa on dot. Dot is heavy. Dot has istaqala. Lean idhar, and idhar ruling is idhar, but sifa is tawassut. Lean ayn is short for fatha open your jaws. It should be from your throat. Azim 4 counts long because you gave the temporary sukoon on the last letter. That converted that 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat lis sukoon. So, and giving tawassut. Whenever you see mim with sukoon, you are giving tawassut. Azim. In hamza is very sharp for kasra, give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna, so give a longer time here. In for fatha open your jaws. Ma 2 counts long. The engage right makhraj of that, touching the tip of your tongue to the edge of your upper 2 teeth. The, and it is 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound, the sound is very short. Ku for dhamma circle your lips, the sound is very short. Mush for dhamma circle your lips. Attach with sheen. As you will touch sheen, your lips should be in a straight position because there is no dhamma on sheen. There is dhamma on meme only. So circle your lips for dhamma on meme, but as you will be shifted to sheen, your lips should be in a straight position. Sheen will get rakhawa. Sheen will get the fashi. Sheen is light, so the sound should flow. Mush for fatha open your jaws. As you will pronounce fatha, the rakhawa and everything will cut off because now you are pronouncing fatha. The letter has gone. You have pronounced letter already. So mush, shay, and this will be 2 counts long. It is 2 counts long because this is harf lean. Shay, to is heavy. To is atba. 2 counts long. To, nu for the circle lips. The sound is very short. You for the circle lips. How. There will be number whenever waw and ya are with sukoon. Waw and ya. Sorry, this is waw. It's very small. And ya are with sukoon. Oh, with tashdeed. They are always getting a number. And number is a jump of sound. You how, when you are attaching how with wow, this is the place where you are creating number. How, we for kasra give e sound. Fu for the circle lips, the sound is very short. Au, hamza is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws attach with wow. Then this is 2 counts long because this is lean. What is lean? Wow, sakina. Au, ya sakina. قبلها مفتوح. Whenever you find letter with fatha before ya sakina or waw sakina, you are creating lean, and lean is a soft sound, and it is 2 counts long. You are giving a good time here on fatha and attaching with waw. You will give a very soft sound. Li for consecutive E sound. Yeah, 4 counts long. Short. But the sound is very sharp because Hamza cuts off the makhraj right away. This is called shiddah. So this is very sharp. Ru for the masakali lips. It is 2 counts long. Fa, give a good hums on fa. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is very short. La, 2 counts long. Ta, very sharp sound. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is very short. Ta, ho is 2 counts long and it is heavy. Fu, with hums, you are giving it 2 counts long sound and circling your lips. Hum for the circle your lips, attach with meme, meme will get sifat tawassut. Len Omar are the letters. These are the total 5 letters. Whenever these are with sakun, any letter with sakun, you are giving hums. You are giving it tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. The sound should flow for a medium period of time. It's not too long as rakhawa and it is not too short as shidda, but it is in between. That's why it is called tawassut. And tawassut is, the meaning of tawassut is medium. بين صفات الشدة وبين صفات الرخاوة. This is why it is called tawassut. Hum wa waw fatha open your jaws. The sound is very short. Circle your lips for makhraj of waw. Kha, it is heavy and 2 counts long. Fu for dhamma, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Ni for kasra give e sound. Ing, this is ikhfa and it is ikhfa like ink. Ing kum for dhamma, circle your lips. And this is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light because ta is among light letter. Kuntum for the circle your lips attached with meme. This is ikhfa idgham shafawi, and it will get ghunna. First of all, this is idgham shafawi, so it will get ghunna, akmal ghunna, which takes a longer time. Tum for the circle your lips. As soon you will touch hamza, your lips should be in a straight position. The sound will cut right away because this hamza is very shidda letter. Mu, mi for kasra give e sound. Ni 4 counts long. Noon will get temporary sukoon. This temporary sukoon converted this 2 counts long vowel into 4. Because this temporary sukoon converts this equation. And then there will be tawassut on him. فانقلبوا بنعمة من الله وفضل لم يمسسهم سوء واتبعوا رضوان الله والله ذو فضل عظيم إنما ذلكم الشيطان يخوف أولياءه فلا تخافوهم وخافوني إن كنتم مؤمنين. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha open your jaws. La is 2 counts long. Yeah. For fatha open your jaws. Attach with ha. Ha will get sifa of raqawa. And there should be a very nice misty sound here. Yeah. Zoom for dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with noon. And it is ikhfa. Ikhfa And it is light ikhwa because you can see kaf, and kaf is among light letters. Zum wala zum kalla. Kaf is light for fatah, open your jaws, attach with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Kalla for fatah, open your, the two counts long. For fatah, na, short. You for the circle lip, sa, two counts long. Eri for kasra give e sound, and ra is light. Ru, two counts long. Circle your lips for dhamma, na, short. The sound is very short. Feel for kasra give e sound. Attach it lam. As you are attaching this fa with lam, so this long vowel will be dropped. It is not anymore long, but you are attaching this fa with lam directly. Feel kuf for the circle lips. For fa, give hums. Hums is a flow of breath. فحسه شخص سكت are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, you are giving hums. But fa, kaf, and ta are very important letters among the hums letters. So on these three letters, you are giving nice hums, good hums. And hums is a flow of breath. Listen how we create kuf. This is breath, a flow of breath. Kuf. And you're stopping, so you're making this ra heavy because ra got sukoon, and before second ra you cannot see anything. Then you consider this dhamma on kaf. So this dhamma is making ra heavy. Kufru. After finishing hums, you are giving tawassut on ra with making ra heavy. Kufru. In for kasra give e sound, hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound, attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. In, and this is akmal gunna. So give a good time here. For fatha, open just this fatha is very short. Na, home for the masakuli. If attached with meme will get sifa of the wasut. Lay it gone with gunna. Lay, ear for yeah, it's very soft for fatha, open your jaws. Guru for dhamma circle lips, attach with ra, guru, and then this ra is attached with lafz jalala. So this long vowel will be dropped, and ra will be heavy because whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha, it is always heavy. Lafz jalala will be two counts long, and it is heavy because you can see dhamma before it. لن يضروا ha is short. For fatha, open your jaws. Shay is two counts long because this is a harf lean, and it is converted into mad iwad. You are extending the sound of tanween into two counts a long vowel. So when you are exchanging this the sound and exchanging something, you say iwad. So this is mad iwad. You're exchanging the sounds here. Shay'a, two counts long. You for the circle lips. Ri, two counts long. Dullo, dal is very light for the circle lips. Lafz jalala will be two counts long, and it will be heavy. Why? Because you can see dhamma before it. Yuridullo, who for dhamma circle lips, the sound is very short. Al hamza is very sharp. Fatha, when you just attach with lam, lam will get sifa of the wasut. Al, then it is two counts long. La, yaji, yeah, is very light. Fatha, when you just attach with jim, jim will get sifa of qalqala. Yaji, ain should be from your throat. For fatha, when you just, the sound is very short. La, short. La, short. Hum for the circle lips, attach with me. We will get sifa of the wasut. How for fatha, when you just attach it, the will get rakhawa, and it is heavy. This letter has a طباق. How the sound should flow very nicely. And this is a sound, it's not a breath. So give a sound and it should be hearable very nicely. How and then there is ikhfa. And it is light ikhfa because fa is among letters. How feel for kasra give sound attached with lam will get sifa tawassut. Hamza is very sharp and it is 2 counts long. Khi for kasra give sound, it is heavy. It is heavy. And ra is heavy. And give rakhaba on ha because whenever you stop, you convert this ta into ha. So when it is ha, it will get sifa of rakhawa. Ra. Fil akhirah. For wow circle ellipse. So fatha open your jaws. La is short. Hum for the circle ellipse attached with mim will get out. Tawassut ain from your throat. For fatha open your jaws. The sound is very short. The 2 counts long. Bun give tawassut because ruling is idghar, but the sifa is tawassut. Bun ain from your throat. For fatha open your jaws. This temporary sukoon which you are giving because of the waqf has converted this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat sukoon. Azim and give the wasat on me. ولا يحزنك الذين يسارعون في الكفر إنهم لن يضروا الله شيئا. That should be very sure. يريد الله ألا يجعل لهم حظا في الآخرة ولهم عذاب عظيم. In Hamza is very sharp. For Kasra give E sound, the sound is very short. On Noon, you are giving Akmal Gunna. So give a good, keep the sound in your nose for a good time. Innal for fatha open you just attach lam will get sifa of the wasut. And fatha is very short. Innal la the is 2 counts long. Nash for fatha open your jaws attach with sheen. Sheen will get qawa. It has the fashi. The sound goes on. Nash ta is very sharp. There and then the sound is stopping. Nash ta is short. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Ra will for dhamma circle ellipse. For wow circle ellipse. And then when you are attaching lam will get sifa of tawassut. Your lips should be in a straight position. Will kuf for dhamma circle ellipse. As soon you will touch fa with hums, you are keeping the sound, your lips very straight. Kuf, ra for fatha open your jaws. Ra is heavy and your lips should be straight. Kuf, ra, bil for kasra give E sound attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut. Bil, E hamza is very sharp and it is 2 counts long. E, ma is 2 counts long. Ni for kasra give E sound. Lain for fatha open your jaws. And this is idgham with gunna. Lain, yeah, for fatha open your jaws. Durrullaha shay'a. Wa for waw circle ellipse. Fatha open your jaws. For lam is very short. La wa la hum for the circle ellipse attached with me will get support. Tawassut. Ain from your throat. The 2 counts long. Bun tawassut. Idhar ruling is ha. But sifa is tawassut. عذاب Hamza is very sharp. Lim, temporary sukoon has converted this 2 counts long vowel into 4 and give the wasat on me. إن الذين اشتروا الكفر بالإيمان لن يضروا الله شيئا ولهم عذاب أليم. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.